how to sync Facebook Messenger across devices. So if you want to sync your Facebook Messenger across devices, then what you need to do is first, Facebook Messenger syncs seamlessly across all of your devices, like for example, your phone, tablets, and computers, simply by downloading the app and logging in with the exact same Facebook account or the phone number. Your conversations and new messages update in real time across all the active devices. So first, install the application or go with your browser on your new device from the Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, on your computer, you can download the desktop app or visit messenger.com in your browser. Use the same login. Sign in using the exact same email address, phone number, and password linked to your main account. Or open the Messenger on your original device where your chats are visible, and then tap on the menu icon. Go with See All in Messenger at first, and here you will find end-to-end encrypted chats. Or just simply go with the three dots which will be in the top and go with Preferences. Or just simply go with your Settings icon and then go with Privacy and Safety. And you'll find the end-to-end encrypted chats and go with Message Storage. After that, just simply go and reset your PIN, go to your new device and enter the new PIN when prompted to sync your history. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.